Hi everyone, I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making my copycat version of Panda Express's Mushroom Chicken. Their website describes their stir-fry as a delicate combination of chicken, mushrooms and zucchini, wok tossed with a light ginger sauce. So let's get started. This Panda Express chicken mushroom stir-fry is so quick, easy, and it tastes just like the takeout. First, we will start by marinating the meat. I have a little over a pound of cubed boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, but the thighs have way much more flavor. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, or you can use rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Mixing that well and marinating for 20 to 30 minutes. For the sauce, I have a half a cup of chicken broth, and I use better than chicken bouillon as the recipe calls for using a chicken bouillon cube. I just added it to the water, adding in a 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, or again you can use rice wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of sugar to balance it out. That's it, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. For the vegetables, I'm using some quartered button mushrooms and semi-moon sliced zucchini. You can stir fry these, but tonight I'm going to blanch the vegetables. I have my water at a boil, and I'm adding in the vegetables, bringing it back up to a boil, and cooking for about 30 seconds or until the veggies are tender. Then I'm removing and placing the vegetables in a cold water bath to stop the cooking process until I'm ready for the stir fry. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Copycat Panda Express Chinese Mushroom Chicken Stir Fry below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I have everything prepped and ready, and we are ready to make this Panda Express Mushroom Chicken. In a skillet or wok on high heat, I'm adding in some oil and the chicken. I'm just spreading out the chicken and letting it cook for 20 to 30 seconds before stirring. This will help form a crust and prevent sticking. Cooking and stirring the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes or until done, and then removing and setting to the side. In the same pan on medium heat, add in a little more oil if you need, and the minced garlic and ginger. Cooking and stirring for 20 to 30 seconds, and then pouring in my sauce. I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. Letting that simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm adding in my blanched vegetables, the chicken, and all the juices. Giving that a good toss to combine, bringing that back up to a simmer, and then adding in a little cornstarch water slurry. I'm just adding in a little at a time, and it doesn't take much to thicken the sauce. Giving that another good toss to combine, and we are ready to eat. If you enjoyed Panda Express's Mushroom Chicken, you will have to give this copycat recipe a try. You will be amazed how easy and good this Chinese stir-fry is. Simple ingredients, and you can have this ready in 30 to 40 minutes. The chicken is tender and flavorful. The mushrooms and zucchini absorbed all that wonderful stir-fry sauce. Garnishing with some sesame seeds and serving with steamed jasmine rice. I hope you give this Copycat Panda Express Mushroom Chicken stir-fry a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!